YouTube, what do I have going on here? Can you all guess? We got a spindle. We got some kind of axle. But what's that gray thing in the middle? I don't know. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So we got something happening with the John Deere. I'm going to give it a little upgrade. It's also going to get some new parts this year. I'm looking to get a new lower hood because it's cracked on one side. And yes, I could fix it again, but it's just going to keep breaking. And I'm kind of tired of just fixing stuff that is broken. So instead of just doing that over and over and over, I might just get a new lower hood, keep the top hood, and get a new front plastic, like that black grill, and the lower part that's supposed to go there, including a bumper for the front. But we'll see. I don't know how crazy I'm going to go. Who knows? As it is, I've been working on the Can-Am here. But before I get you all sick from moving the camera so much, let's go ahead and do this. I think that's a good start. And we'll go from there. So just to give you all an idea, GT245 steer pretty well as long as you're moving. But even when you're still, as you can tell, it steers pretty well. I mean, you gotta have an arm for it. You can't just expect a non-power steering mower to be easy to steer. But we're gonna twist it all the way out. And basically, we're gonna try to get this going today. I really think it's gonna help a lot. So it's a bearing. So take a look at that. That's pretty cool. I'm definitely excited to install this. Something different. I have one for each side, obviously. And, oh, wait a second. Oh, I guess I can return one. I didn't realize that they come with enough for one for each side, I think. I don't know. I'm going to look into it. Hold on, YouTube. So I hope you can all hear me. I know we've been working on this mower deck for a while. I ended up receiving the wrong parts originally, which threw off the whole project. So the spindles I got were right here. I didn't realize that John Deere made different types of spindles. So these were the wrong ones. Finally got the right ones in, so let's roll right into the video. Let's get the time lapse going. Let's finish this off so I can get the Can-Am moving a little bit. It's been sitting here for months. By the way, this is what the Can-Am looks like right now. Surprise. A little bit of a change from the crappy yellow that it was. Take a look at that. I tried to fix those plastics a few times. I kept fixing them. They kept breaking and breaking. It wasn't even worth it anymore, YouTube. So I got new plastics. Let's roll right into the video. Stay tuned.